Hey guys, just a heads up, today is the last day for the Perfect Keto Memorial Sale. If you would like to get your hands on some goodies from Perfect Keto, whether you're losing weight or trying to lose weight, maintaining, whatever your journey is, I will leave all of the details in the description below for you to go check them out. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying out a peel off mask. You guys know these are my favorite kinds of masks, and I got 3 from I Do Care. MBX sent these over and I am so excited. So let's put up our hair in this cute little cat headband that I also got from MBX. I cannot. Look, oh my god. I can't. It's so cute. All right, so let's choose one. I think I want to do, they all smell so good. Ooh, I really, really like this one. Ooh, it smells so good. All right, so this is the I Do Care Space Kitten T-Zone Clearing Galactic Black Peel Off Mask. My face is cleansed, and we're just going to apply this. I want to do my whole face, but I can't because it's in such a little tiny thing. So really, I'm probably just gonna do like my nose area and some of my T-zone. I'm going to actually apply it with the back of a brush. Oh, it's so dark. Oh my gosh. It's so dark. Mask applied, and we are now going to let this dry. If you look close, there's actually pretty glitter in it. It's like purple blue glitter. Be back in, it doesn't say, but I'm gonna guess it's 20 minutes. I'll be back. It's been about 20 minutes, and we are going to peel this off. It feels dry. Oh, I'm so excited. I love peel masks. That was nice. There's the mask. I'm just gonna go rinse the excess of the mask off. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So that is it. And my skin feels very nice and very refreshed. I really, really like this. And it smells good, and it's really pretty, and I really like it. So this says T-zone clearing and smoothing, and I would have to agree with it. I really, really enjoyed the mask. And yeah, if you would like to see more mask reviews / mask demos, let me know in the comments below. And I hope you will stay and subscribe to become part of the Glam Fam. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye.